good to see you. Where are you?
I'm in Switzerland. You know, I live in the countryside. So right now I'm in my village, in my house, which is really far in the countryside.
I'm in the middle, in the Buenos Aires, in the middle of the town. Yes.
The first thing I do is not at all to think about something, is more to do things. So I'm really into the action. Okay, I want to do things, I do. And of course, in some of my works, this kind of video, it's just the result of people doing a lot of things, even if it's maybe absurd. But I'm really considering, in a certain way, also the people who are gonna watch it. I don't want to do stuff who are too long or too slow or too contemplative. I like when there is rhythm, you know? It's like in life, I like when the things are moving.
Niños, sepan todo el tiempo llamarme. ¿Yo cómo me llamo?
Monsanto.
Monsi. Yo trabajo con él. Él me paga bien. Por un tiempo vamos a trabajar juntos en Argentina. Al Museo
de Historia Natural
del Neo-Extractivismo. Ahora van a entender lo que es el extractivismo. A mí cuando me tiran veneno no me pasa nada. No me pasa absolutamente nada, mira. Nada.
Agua.
Soy resistente.
¿Por qué agua?
Porque este hombre me está ayudando. Entonces, vamos a inaugurar, ¿eh? Faltan escasos minutos.
I mean, we also like this possibility of provocation with the language, artistic aesthetic, but something like the audience later remember something, keep something, not just passing away like many exhibitions you see. For us, it was very bizarre, very punk. May do this because we were very excited, but at the same time, we know that all the children were families affected by the glyphosate, by the poison. So in one hand, we were helping the festival against Monsanto to go ahead with the children, making educational program of the museum. That was the pretext. But the way of this theatrical and performative provocation is, for us, is the more authentic spirit of our practice.
For me, more you are popular in a certain way, more what you are doing is touching old people, normal people, people educated with art, and young people. More you are speaking about something who is universal, who is right, who you find the simple way to express things. It means speak to people. It's really, in a way, basic.
I'm boring of post-minimalist proposal, because sometimes it's very boring. You go through the exhibition and you don't get any physical attraction. No, it's all mental ideas. It's for no one. It's art for very elite or for few people. So when you confront the public space or places with some need, with some urgency or some problematic, then the art is appreciated from different people, but in other ways, ¿no?
Nos parecía bueno, ¿no? Tomar cosas que tengan que ver con lo que está pasando en el país, con imágenes así como lo que es la recuperación de la industria, nuevos puestos de trabajo. Y bueno, como vimos esta noticia de que se estaban volviendo a fabricar helicópteros, pensamos qué bueno que es mostrar algo de lo que se está produciendo.
Cuando hoy me mandaron en el chat interno helicóptero de cartón, dije, por Dios, ¿qué es eso? Es terrible.
¿Sabés qué es
Ari,
eso?
Helicópterista, como dice Ari.
¿Sabés qué es eso? Ese es el cajón de Herminio.
Pero el tipo dice que apoya la industria nacional.
Sí, sí.
¿Existe un plan para desestabilizar al gobierno de Mauricio Macri? ¿Existe el plan del helicóptero?
Yes, that was you saw the helicopter, the quality of this helicopter. If you can put one government in risk with this garbage. Oh my God, it is like the absurdity. But well, I mean that we like the media, the mainstream medias, as a way of entering into the discussion, no, the
Yeah.
collective discussion. We always were very fan of Dadaist, surrealist. For us, was always a source of inspiration. Their manifest, the idea of unconscious and the automatic speech and all the proposition of this modern art movement.
My new project now is to with some friends we had the opportunity to buy a big house with like an old strange house. It was very cheap, and in this house the project is to do a complete new museum with a park of sculptures, also to welcome like a total audience of young schools and old people. And
Are you going to set up all the house with different, I mean, I don't know, scenographies, installations, or what is the idea?
yeah, the idea is to do something a bit like this Giardini del Tajo, a paradise, a little paradise I could create there.
Honestly, I want to go to live there, my friend. I will go to visit you soon to this new house with phantoms and ghosts.
How do you feel? You feel like now you do art because it's your job and you earn money with it? Or do you have a side job? Or do you are you part of a community of people who are like super active?
No, honestly, the situation is that, for example, as an art collective, when we are doing something like supporting one struggle, this is something we do because we consider that this is our way of paying to the society as human beings, contribute with something for the others, and not. It's usual that artists we are very narcissist, and we try it with the collective to work with this, no, with the ego and narcissist attitude, and try to make solidarity with different kind of urgencies, necessities of people, and so on, so on. So you do this for the fight, for the struggle, not for the money.